Welcome back, guys. Welcome back, everyone. So on this video, we'll be installing the blades. On the last video, we got the pulleys installed and we were trying to figure out the belt. I got the belt figured out, but it's almost like the belt's a little too big or we're missing a part. But the deck diagram I have not shown. It almost needs another spring on this side. There's two over here, but when I put them on, they're loose. So I'm gonna look at it some more, but for now we're gonna put the blades on. So gonna flip the deck upside down. Just like that. Gonna have to take the old bolt out. It's garbage. Get the other two. Those are all junk. All junk. Oh crap. Breaking tools over here. Look at all the hardware. One had an extra washer on it because it had a crack in the blade. And usually if you have a crack in your blades, I'd recommend replace them. Reliable Aftermarket Parts has many lawnmower blades in stock. Use code N.R.T to save yourself 15%. Go check them out. Find the parts you need for your tractor, for your mower. Springs around the corner. And you want to have your mower ready. Little Loctite on those. Get the blades out. See if I can do this and put them on correctly. There's two ways blades go on. Forgive me if I put them on wrong the first time. Forgive me for dropping them. There we go. This one goes there. This one goes there. Okay. Gonna put our washers on, factory hardware. Screw them in before we tighten them down with impact. I'm gonna tell you about some safety concerns regarding putting blades on a mower. Pay very close attention to it, because it can be a difference between you losing your hand and not losing your hand. Obviously, when you're mowing, you never want to stick your hand under the deck when it's on. And you also, when you're doing this type of stuff, like putting blades on, you want to get yourself a little block, just like this. as you can see, you want to make sure freely spin them by hand and make sure none of the blades are hitting together. Okay, I think we're gonna have a very nice cutting job on this, guys. But I think next I'm gonna pull the tractor up on the table and work on the drive belt and make sure we got the correct drive belt before we mess with the deck belt. Deck belt's really a last thing, to be honest. I usually like doing it last. I was going to try to do it now, but I want to make sure I got the correct belt sizes for the drive before I do that. Here's the service kit, John Deere service kit for the tractor. We're going to be doing that too. So, hope everyone's having a great day. I am myself. Got a free hat from John Deere. Always happy when you get a free hat. Got a lot of scrap metal accumulating. And the reason I'm replacing the spindles, if I haven't already said, is because they are little metal gold caps, as you see under the blades. Those gold caps. Well, in the last spindles, those broke apart and just vanished, and dirt got in the bearings and destroyed the bearings. And a mower's a high RPM item, and those bearings, better replace them before they burn up, burn down the tractor, burn down the yard. So, contacted my good friends over at Lab Aftermarket Parts, and they sent me the parts, and we're showing you right now how to do it correctly. Getting it done. Put this over here for now. Gonna take the deck off the work table. So we get the tractor on there. Gonna move the tractor forward. Hopefully it'll start. Gonna try to clean up the terminals on the batteries and see if we can fix the no starting issue on it. It seems to always have. Nothing worse than having a dead tractor. No, it ain't. Should fire right up. I fired it up last night. Let's see. Throwing a code to the question mark. Oh, she gonna start. Go ahead. Get the ramps out. Dang, ramps are falling apart. Don't know what that's all about. And put them just like that. Gonna have to drill a hole through that and put a cotter pin through it. Ain't no biggie. But gonna go ahead and get the deck down. okay. Think we're ready to winch it up on the table, guys? New viewers of the channel, this is my work table. This is my winch I got on the work table. Gonna lock the winch, make sure we got power to it, and put the track, put some tension on it. Tension like that. Put it in neutral by pulling the thing in the back, and there it goes. I built this all by myself, guys. It's been a very handy piece of equipment in the shop. Got a little low tire. Not the worst. We do have a low tire. So, as you see, tractor's up there now. So, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Use code N.R.T, save yourself 15% out of Lab Aftermarket Parts. Catch you guys on the next one.